There is a huge difference between real legal custody and physical custody. Legal custody is going to be that joint custody or shared custody. The type of custody that you have legal is going to make a difference on who makes the decisions, the major decisions, especially when you're dealing with custody. So for example, in joint custody, the parties are going to co-parent, and there's going to be what we call a domiciliary parent, and the domiciliary parent is going to be that parent that is going to be your tiebreaker on any major decisions. The non-domiciliary parent will have an opportunity to object in court, but the domiciliary parent's say is going to have the most weight up front. So when people come to me and they say, I'm looking for full custody, most of the time they mean that they're looking to be the domiciliary parent in joint custody. Now, there's also shared custody. Shared custody is where you have to co-parent, but you're essentially doing everything together, and there may not be a domiciliary parent. Then there's, of course, the final type, which is sole custody. And sole custody, again, is a type of legal custody, which is going to have a parent not having to co-parent. Essentially, the person with sole custody is going to be able to make all of the decisions, especially the major ones about the child, without having to confer with the other party first. But then there's, of course, the issue of physical custody, which is totally different because physical custody can be shared even if it's joint custody. So, for example, sometimes we have shared custody, physical custody as a week on, week off. We also have a 2-2-3. And we also have what's called a 4-3-3-4. And those just break down on like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, alternating weekends, for example, for a 2-2-3. We also have physical custody where it can be, where it's not actually shared in the time, okay? And that would be, for example, every other weekend and one day a week, sharing the holidays, doing maybe something different in the summer. That's generally what people are going to have when they think they have not shared custody. But again, shared custody is a legal construct. So when you're looking at physical custody and legal custody, you're going to want to talk to your lawyer about both of those items and what matters most to you and the facts that you can get you there. My name is Jeremy Epstein, and I'm the owner of Jeremy Epstein Law, and I hope you come see me. Thank you.